Hello? I wonder if this mic can pick up this far? We'll see. Alright, unbox this with me! Okie dokie! Oh, what is that? Pretty? What is this? Can you guys tell me what this is? Alright, let's continue. Ooh, wow. Pretty. So I got this package from Oko Living. They sent it to me. This is not sponsored. They just sent it to me to try out. And let's see. I wanted this. I wish they gave me this. Ooh, look at that rainbow. Oh, so it has all these chakras. Tips for grip. All right, I'm really excited. Let's look at this. What is this? Wow, I love the bag. It's pink. I feel like this is linen, right? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I've been wanting this mat for so long now, but it's like one of those things that I'm like, I'm not so sure if I will enjoy this mat. Oh my gosh, is it pink? Is it rainbow? Oh my god! Wow! It's rainbow! Wow! Okay, wow! That's gorgeous! Oh, look at that! Oh wow, it's definitely a rainbow. I love! Alright, let's try it out. Okay, so I wonder if it's gonna be grippy. They say it will. So the back, I'll show you how the back looks. It's like this. There's definitely something to it that actually is very grippy, like this one. Alright, let's try it here. Oh wow. I just put it on top of my other mat. Wanted to see how it will. Wow. Alright. Let's try. Interesting. That is very interesting. Let's see. Oh, it does stay grippy. I mean, you don't really slide. Okay. This is my first impression. Obviously, I unboxed it. So I'm gonna have to test it out and I'll keep you guys updated. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Just in case you might have forgotten, who is she? I'll give you a quick refresher. If you guys remember, I uploaded 3 years ago my scoliosis series. That is me. I hope you still remember. It's been so long and I'm back. Just in case you might not know, I actually created a new yoga channel over at Flow with Georgina. I'm going to be linking that down below so you guys can check it out. I started that last year and I have been consistently uploading once a week. And I also added a new scoliosis playlist. I call that Scolio Love. Make sure to check that out. I'm linking that playlist down below, so anything that you will see in that playlist means it is safe enough to perform for anybody who has scoliosis. So make sure to check that out, subscribe to that channel if you're up for more yoga videos, and ring the bell so that you get notified for when I upload new classes over there. I stopped uploading videos because I was going back and forth. I don't know if I wanted to continue uploading yoga videos knowing that I wasn't a yoga teacher at that time yet. So it was just really hard for me. I feel like, I'm kind of like cheating, but not really, because I really just want to share this passion for movement with you guys. Yes! So fast forward to now, I am proud to share with you guys that I'm now a 500-hour certified yoga instructor. I first took my 200-hour training last 2020 And then year 2021 came. I was still very much hungry for more. So I enrolled in another 300-hour yoga teacher's training with my favorite teacher. She's one of my favorites. Her name is Briohny. Some of you might know her. I'm going to be linking her Instagram handle down below. And I dove right in. I was able to finish the whole training for that whole year. So I love that I could really set my own schedule to be able to complete that 300-hour training. At the end of that year, I got my certificate and they also offered me to become an ambassador. I'm very, very grateful for that. So I'm going to be linking a lined curriculum down below and you can check it out. If you ever end up enrolling in her curriculum through my link, I will earn a commission because I'm an ambassador. That is an affiliate link. There's no extra charge to you, but I'm sure you guys know already how affiliate works. So yeah, thank you so much if you ever use my link. Yes, I'm gonna be uploading on this channel. And for sure, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys my crafty side. Also, the hand chains are made by me. Alright, that is it for this video. I just want this to be very quick to update you guys that this channel is still pretty much active. I hope you stay tuned. I hope you continue to watch my videos and I'll see you guys on my next one.